everybody. So I'm going to do a little bit of ASMR. Haven't posted in a while. I'm going to do some fried onions, my favorite. And these are so relaxing to watch them cook. And I'm not using any breading, just the plain onions is what I want. And here, these are the done ones that are done. They're really good, really tasty. Very tender. Just gonna let these cook. Hope you're having a great day. Take my splatter screen off here. Get a better look. This is in olive oil, and I just separated the onion into slices. That one looks pretty much done. Just make sure you let these cool down really well. I've got some garlic cloves here. Fried garlic cloves. That's really good for the body. Good for immune. I just like to keep it simple. It's going to simmer a little bit. So kick back, watch my onions cook. Now I have been posting different things on this channel. I do love slime, but I do love ASMR too. I think this one is pretty much done. So just like a quick thing to do today. What are you doing today? Playing with your slime. These onions. I also put some in the air fryer, which is what you hear, to see how the air fryer would cook them. And so far, I really like the fried ones in olive oil. And you want to make sure and use a really good oil for the heart. Not the bad oil. So I use the olive oil. I also have avocado oil. Just want to cook these kind of slow. Don't need to get into a hurry. So if you have time today, go get an onion. This is a large white onion. Here's my, okay, let's take a look. Ooh, they did pretty well. I think I did it on 10 minutes. Not bad. They are dry, of course. It's an air fryer. But I didn't want any breading. I just want the plain onions. And so, yeah. Those look good. All right. You can also do them in the air fryer. It's at 450 degrees. And they did good. So I'll let those cool. I think this one is ready. But go get a large white onion. These are so good for your immune system. So good. Kill out the, bad stuff that gets in our stomachs. But you'll want somebody with you if you don't want to do this by yourself. Got a good plate going here. Don't want to do this by yourself on the oven. You want somebody to help you. But this is so natural, just natural onions. Okay, so I'm going to put some more in there. You just punch out the rings after you slice it. So we're going to put these on there. Okay. Slide these in very carefully. Don't touch the pan. And then when it looks like it's tender and brown, then we've got an onion ring ready. And here's my garlic clove. Carry that over there. That looks good. Just want to have a, medium-sized fry pan and, maybe like a half a cup of olive oil. And it's definitely worth it. You don't need to get like expensive onion rings. Alright, we're going to keep going here. Check out my other videos on slime and life hacks. There's plenty on there. And please like and subscribe to my channel. I hope to post more videos soon. I thought I would change it up a little bit. And sometimes those other ones they're fun to watch, but sometimes you just want something a little different. Hope you enjoy the frying of onions today for the ASMR. I sure do. I love it. Kick back, relax. Just watch like the bubbling. You can see. It's all good. It's all good. Nice and relaxing. And I did all the work. You don't have to do any of the work. Of course, I'm going to eat it too. But this is a great idea, maybe for dinner. You can put a protein with it, some kind of protein. I'm probably going to make some black bean veggie burgers. In fact, I need to get them out of the freezer. I think I'll do that right now. Okay, so we're going to do that Morning Star. I like the spicy black bean because it has more pure ingredients in it. This one is frozen, so it's going to bubble. Put that in there. It has more. Ooh, it's popping. Put my screen on there. It doesn't have any nutritional yeast in it, and I don't want the yeast right now. So I'm just going to do this plain black bean. And it does have some textured soy protein in it. Be good. That'll be good tonight with our onion rings. Be very healthy. It's very healthy for the kidneys, the lymphatic system. If you're having any kind of kidney problems or you feel bloated at all. This is, onions are really good for the kidneys, and it's kind of light, just kind of a light side dish. And then if you don't want your meat, I find that meat can be very, very heavy on my kidneys and lymphatics, so um, this black bean burger is much better right now. So, all right, well, check out my other videos, and I hope you have a good day. I'm just about to run out of my time here, but glad you joined me today. Enjoyed visiting with you. Try to make this if you can. It's really good, especially in olive oil. So I will see you again soon.